Okay, we're at the top of Clifton Hill, and this is a video from the Totten Tooth Bastard, and we're about to see how many belt buckle wearing some bitches are out here. Belt buckle wearing? No. Well, there's a belt buckle wearing some bitch right there. Belt buckle wearing some bitch. Well. One belt buckle wearing some bitch. There's a belt buckle wearing some bitch number 2 underneath all that gut. Belt buckle wearing some bitch number 3. La di da di da, la di da da, la di da. I once got into a fight with these 2 black girls on my way to work one day in Hamilton, and there's another belt buckle wearing some bitch. There, 5 now, and they called me totten tooth bastard, and I was only trying to get to my seat, but they call me rotten tooth bastard because my teeth are all rotten. And there's belt buckle wearing some bitch number 6. And if he ain't careful, he's gonna be another belt buckle wearing some bitch when he gets older. Well. Anyways, that's how I got my name, Totten Tooth Bastard. Since then, I've been out searching high and low for belt buckle wearing some bitch, and there's one belt buckle wearing some bitch right there. And yeah, well, they're all hiding right now. They all come out at night when they get a couple drinks into them, like the cowboys and shit. Well, there's a belt buckle wearing some bitch right there. God bless you. Why you belt buckle wearing some bitch? Yeah, belt buckle wearing some bitch. Hi. Well, I'm at the bottom of Clifton Hill now, and there's one more bow-legged belt buckle wearing some bitch right there. Looks like springtime in Vermont with that belt buckle wearing some bitch. Okay, that's about it for these belt buckle wearing some bitches on this end. I'm going to take a break down, go down to the water and gather up me some Jesus, and then we'll come back and talk more about these belt buckle wearing some bitches on the other side. Yes. Yeah, clear your throat some other way, belt buckle wearing some bitch.